Market makers in the Nigerian stock market are undergoing a training program aimed at improving the liquidity structure of the stock market. While the impact of the market-making scheme is said to have been successful over the years, the exchange says that it's time to dig deep for more market-making benefits. Our correspondent, Temple Ashaju, reports.
Market making is the activity of quoting a buy or sell price over stocks held in an inventory. When the role was introduced in the Nigerian capital markets 2 years ago, the market makers only got basic knowledge of the concept. Today, the stock exchange is retraining these market makers to drive in more liquidity.
So the training is to give them an enhanced and a broader knowledge about market making, and that is done in other jurisdictions. And we're looking at the end of this training, they should be able to, one, increase more participation rate, increase their size, and also the quote time at the MBBO.
But exactly what is new for these market makers?
For the last 2 years, even though we're making markets and it's beginning to show stability, but it's not affecting all the stocks yet. There are still some stocks that are still not, getting a taker.
We still have a lot of things to be put in place to ensure that, those ancillary services that need to give the real support to activity of market maker.
We've been training the stockbrokers. We spent time on learning some academic foundations of market making and capital markets, and we're moving towards practical training and order placement techniques and risk management tools.
This stockbroker, however, speaks on an area of market making that requires more attention.
To some extent, yes, we've been feeling their impact on the market, and with this training now, we expect them to perform better. But you see, the major hindrance is still the funding.
Presently, market makers in the Nigerian stock market are classified into primary and supplementary classes. These market makers are not currently held onto any form of targets, but at the end of this training, it is expected that these market makers will be given some specified targets by the management of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Temple Ashaju, Channels Television News.